Come on along. What are you doing, Beto? Hey, are you feeling the burn yet?
Feel the burn in 2020.
Feel the burn in 2020. What are we fixing? I need to know.
You do?
Yeah, the viewers want to know. There's so many viewers. Where's the broken one?
I don't know. I can't read.
You can't read. Can you write?
No.
You write better than most people.
No.
Is that it?
No.
Is it on the other side?
No. Might be this one. I don't know.
I don't see the crack.
You can't.
Oh, there it is.
Open your eyes.
Yeah, DOT would get you and say, uh-oh.
Okay.
New used one? Used new one? Wow, that's bright. Just like you guys. You know, if you got your hair shaved a little bit tighter, you'd be bald. You guys are like twins.
We're sisters.
Sister. You're sister wives. Hi, Troy. Oh, we got it. Yeah, What are you doing? How come you're taking this side off?
Cocaine.
Oh, because the bolts were just loose all the way around, huh? Mike. That stuff belongs out in the woods.
Troy, you ever bend over and smash your knee on a lug nut?
Ouch. You know what that's called right there? That's woods dirt. Hey, wow.
Oh yeah, that's the family channel.
This is a family channel.
Son of a bitch.
Cox. You need a big gun. Think you need a heater, well?
Can't I'll melt the bushing out of the
Oh yeah,
spring.
you'll melt the bushing out of the spring. We don't want to do that. Yeah, you need an impact. Is it a no, it ain't. Split.
I got the head, I just needed to turn.
Beat on or what?
Huh?
Beat on or what?
I did. What?
Impact.
I got one.
The air button. Shake that whole bracket, that just knocked that loose. Root blast. Oh wow, we even got brand new bolts. Oh. How does that happen, then bolts loosen up? You get them from Farm and Fleet?
What?
They come from Farm Fleet? Fleet Farm, them old bolts, that's why they're loosened up? Sure. That's it, these boys are just working, I can't talk much. Just they're working. I gotta get the dirt off of them. So that it can see people. In it? In it? Come on, say something smart. Okay.
Smart?
What's going on over here? I want to know. Is it behind that front cover?
There's a lot of good stuff happening.
Is it behind the front cover that there's a little oil seepage or?
Probably.
Oh. Oh no.
Go up by Josh. He's got lots of good stuff to tell the camera.
No, he doesn't. He's afraid of it like you. No, you're not afraid of it.
Go up by Josh.
All right, I'll go up by Josh. How about if I just say bon voyage, see you later, mother boys. Oh, I better talk or we're gonna get in trouble for copyright. The Doors are playing.
Oh boy.
Hey, what are you doing up there? Did you know we do windows here at Berg Service and Repair?
Serve burgers and repairs.
Sir Bergerson Repair?
Something.
Kyle, are you cleaning the windowsill?
Basically. You wanna see?
No, I can see from here. I've been vacant for like a month on YouTube, so I gotta make some vidya.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can get windows for any machines, by the way. Uh-oh. Look at. Matt, are you still open for business?
Yeah.
Down there at your shop?
Just getting ready to torque a 6-liter head down.
Oh, no wonder you need a little bit of liquid courage, huh?
I don't know, we'll stick that on there.
Put it over your mouth.
Todd. Todd phone.
What are we waiting for?
Made for you.
What's that weird noise? Excuse me.
You're not excused.
That's cool. Let's all watch Kyle put adhesive on the window thing.
Window stinks. Fucking window stinks. Ass. Sweaty old man. Sweaty ass.
It smells like the poo-poo.
My Corona.
There it is.
Are you guys gonna install?
We're gonna catch the coronavirus.
Don't say the virus part, say Corona.
We're gonna drink Corona at work.
We'll get the
Corona.
Go get the pillows that my uncle brought me. Bring them in here and take a nap.
Yeah, I get it, that one.
Grab some straps. Is it too wide on your side or is it going in on the bottom?
It's in on the bottom.
There we go. Some straps.
Well, you'll have to rig something up with some stuff, huh?
Rig you up, Mike.
You rig me up?
You're very sexual.
I am special,
Yeah.
did you know that? We do windows here too. See that? I'm making a video for you guys. We do windows sometimes. It's amazing. It's amazing what we can do. Right, Josh?
Right.
We can even make bulldozers levitate off the floor. Oh, it's on blocks. Did you get the pins, Spivey? This is a J. Paydirt box. Full of cat stuff. That's a forklift. That's a clutch. It's a clutch disc. He's got a couple of rollers leaking, you see that?
What?
He's got a couple of rollers leaking. I don't care what they say about you guys on YouTube, you do a good job. They don't listen to me at all. But they do good work. When they work. Breaking news! Breaking news! What do you got?
Huh?
What did you just tell me?
The coronavirus originated in that machine.
Where?
Belly pan.
Show me. Put your mask on.
Huh?
Get your mask on. Which belly pan? Oh. Oh. Maybe it's back here, huh? Oh, right there. How could it live in all that oil and stuff, Kyle?
Chinese rat flu.
Chinese rat flu? Bat flu. That all came out of that belly pan? Wow.
It was packed in there so tight. I took the bolts out and the belly pan stayed up.
Are you serious?
Fucker's like 60 pounds.
Wow. That's incredible. Remember that show? That's incredible. Well, it's like
An old guy show.
yeah, it's an old guy show. I haven't done a video in so long I forgot how to do this. Look at that bulldozer's levitating. Troy's magic. What are you doing over here? He's polishing his rods. We're doing it down and dirty. Getting rid of the slop. Joe Dirt. You got plenty of air tool oil in them air tools? I think my compressor is going to take a dump. We've been using it so hard. So what do you guys think of all this stuff, Corona?
It's Corona time.
I'm interviewing Kyle.
Yeah?
Yeah. Kyle, what's your take on the coronavirus?
Bullshit.
Bullshit?
Yeah.
What if you're sick and die? Do you think
My time to go.
my time? Okay, I'm going down with that. What about Troy?
What?
We're working inside a shop that's closed to the public because it's closed. The governor said no more. But because of the people out there, we're in silviculture. That's in forestry, agriculture. So come in and get your parts. Get your machines fixed up. Kyle, he's sitting here with his twiddling his thumbs with his thumb up his ass and he doesn't know what to do. But not really, we got stuff to do. You got any other comments for the world out there? This is like an interview on CNN. We can make up whatever the hell we want. We should, shouldn't we? Let's make something up.
Bush light virus.
Bush light virus?
Yeah.
All right. I like, yeah. Oh man, this is gonna be tough.
What is?
It's been so long since I did a video that I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I wandered around aimlessly.
That's nothing new.
I know. I knew you were gonna say that.
First of all, you want to look at, you don't want to look at your little lens, you want to look at the camera.
Yeah, you gotta look at the camera. Mike, he's giving me advice over there from the peanut gallery.
Pockets, they call it landmark.
What are we doing in this machine, boys? Oh, look we do glass. Windows. They're all laughing at me like a bunch of goobers. This is kind of like an experiment, right?
It's like going.
This is what scientists do.
What?
They lock 4 rats in a cage and then they
See if they die?
who takes each other out and gets the,
Except we get to leave after 10 hours.
yeah, something like that. Roy, would you wind up the frog? I want to show the guys the frog.
9 flips.
9 flips, we're going for it. This is just a silly video. I found this in the house. Who's counting?
7.
Oh, come on. Ooh. There you go.
10 with help.
10 with help. Right on, bro.
That's all he's got.
That's our coronavirus fun.
10 is max.
We see how many times a day we can do that and get away with it without the boss seeing. All right, take care. See you guys.
Say bye. Say bye.